This is what I'm talking about. Where you going? What? I'm following you. Move your ass. I'm following you. Oh, you crazy, bro. Oh my god. Yo. Straight drop, man. Why didn't you say sooner? Don't follow me. I was already halfway in there. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't stop, but I'm everywhere. Oh, the rock freaking threw me. Oh shit, it's gonna destroy him. Can you stop? I get the beta. Hold on, you got this big ass rock right here, bro. That's what's messing you up. Check it, check it, check it. Right here. No, it's this. It was this. Now you make it though. Look. There you go. Nice, nice. Keep it, keep it, keep it. Got it. Woo! Freaking ripping that. Oh, oh, oh shit. Yo, okay. Freaking guy. Oh my god. Yo. And this guy just to nah, hell no. Turn it right. Oh, freaking guy. Yo, man. Maniac. Woo. Oh, turn it right. Oh shit. Yo, am I gonna be off a trail? You think we'll meet? Oh, there's a hill down here we need to go. Turn left. Oh, I don't know actually, never mind. This looks like death. I thought that was a nice hill, but it looks sketchy. See that hairpin turn, kid? going there. Bro, it's a cliff, man. I'm not going there. Oh shit, oh shit. Maniac. Oh my god! You want me? This guy lying, chat. I put down video. Yo! Oh shit! That was tight. Oh my god, bro! I can't keep wiping the camera. I don't know what one has. It has. So that crazy ass kid came down. He turned somewhere. Be careful, right here, right here, right here. I'd rather have you have the lead than Sema. Damn, that was muddy. Oh shit. With this kid, man, you can't with this kid. If the handlebars can go, he's going. I mean, if they can fit. At some point, I like to go back home. Just like enjoy the scenery. I haven't looked up once. Oh my god. Oh my god. I gotta wipe the camera. I know I do. Oh. I think Don Barton is way the other direction. Yo! Look at these boulders, man. What the heck? Oh. Ah. I find up somewhere near my house, I'm just gonna freaking go from there, man. $70 miles. Can't see. How slow can you go through? This guy. Right here, I think he's talking about. Okay, okay, wait here before we go in. Oh. Joe, you crazy. Yo, man, what the frick is this? Oh, oh, man. Oh my god. No, don't be freaking crazy. When the trail ends, that's where adventure begins. I think I got a leech on me. Oh, bro. Bro, this is not right. Omcho, you a legend, bro. Didn't get the shoes, do I? Oh, did I get dirty? Oh yeah, dude. You oh yeah, dude. Yo, bro, I'm freaking. I gotta burn this shit when I take it off. There's no washing this stuff. Over threw so much dirt on me, bro. He didn't want to put his feet down, man. It would be all soaked, bro. That's what I'm saying. He made that shit. You didn't put your feet down, right, Over? Yeah, you're good. All good, bro. That's what it is. We're riding dirt bikes to get dirty. Have dirt bike gear on, not a freaking suit. But this is my shit though. I love this. I'm serious, like stuff like this. Look at that, go down this. No. This is the best trail. Say man, his giraffe neck is probably gonna get clipped. I doubt that this is part of Dumbarton. Oh shit! Oh my god! Right! Yo! Luckily he had a freaking... Let me pull him out with the beta, man. Oh my god, I'm at a bad angle. Motherfucker, what are you doing? Come on, Husky, man, it's your thing. Oh, man, people are gonna think we're cutting trees down. Oh my god. I don't know. Sammy. Oh, that plate is bent. 48.2 miles we rode, bro. Oh my god! Oh my god! Can't stop with these logs, bro. Man, they're wet. I'm trying to be jumping some big ass logs though. Yeah. I think I have it on a video somewhere. You don't need to see. Seeing is for yeah, just feel it. Smell the two-stroke and follow. Oh, let's go to that guy's house for tea. Like with some travelers, can we get some tea? Woo! Woo! Yo! Oh, big puddle, big puddle.